Hi guys, I'm Tanya, a fashion designer. If you're looking to sew yourself a stylish, modern dress for summer, you're in the right place. Take a look at what I've got for you. It's great for everyday wear and works just as well for a party. It's a satin wrap dress with a midi-length skirt and long sleeves with cuffs. The skirt flows beautifully when you move. It's a timeless classic with a modern touch. This dress looks great on different body types. As you can see, it's a digital PDF sewing pattern. You'll be able to download it right away after purchase. For this dress, I'd recommend fabrics that have a silky look and feel, drape nicely, and have a smooth, slightly shiny surface. Good choices include Viscose crepe, rayon challis, soft crepe, cupro, Tencel, and silk satin. The pattern comes in 4 sizes: XS, S, M, and L. You can easily find your size using the size chart. A detailed step-by-step guide is included, so you won't get lost, even if you're new to sewing. You can print the pattern at home on a regular printer in A4 or US letter format, or have it printed on a large format A0 plotter. There's a clear pattern layout showing all the pieces, so you can double-check that everything is there and make sure you don't miss anything. There's also a 5 by 5 centimeters test square on the pattern, so you can make sure your printer settings are correct before printing everything out. There's also a clear sewing order guide that shows what to put together and in what sequence. This dress has been made many times already, so the construction process is well tested and easy to follow. Give the pattern piece numbers one more quick check, and then you're ready to start sewing. This layout shows one way to arrange the pattern pieces to make the most efficient use of your fabric and minimize waste. Seam allowances are not included in this pattern, so don't forget to add them when cutting out your fabric. That's important. A good layout helps reduce waste and save fabric. Don't rush into cutting. Lay everything out carefully first. Now let's talk about colors. Personally, I love this dress in a classic navy blue. It also looks great in green, and you can never go wrong with elegant black. What color would you choose? Let me know in the comments. In the next video, I'll show you another dress pattern. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And by the way, this is my wise little assistant. As long as he's well fed, he's happy. See you next time. Bye!